Hello everyone, welcome to Job Simplify, where we provide off-campus jobs for freshers as well as experienced candidates. So in this video, I will be discussing about the off-campus hiring from AMD, IBM, Harman and Intel. So this is a freshers hiring where step-by-step process will be guided in this video. So let's see more details about the hirings. So the first hiring is from IBM. IBM is hiring for the role of Associate System Engineer for 2023 BE BTech graduates who are having minimum 60%. So the candidates having BTech degree from any branches or specialization can apply for this job. So this is the official page for IBM where they are hiring for Associate System Engineer. So first you have to click on the Apply Now button and then you have to mention all the basic details with your updated resume. And after that you have to click on the join, and don't think that your registration has been successfully completed. After clicking on the join button, you will be receiving the candidate reference number in your mail ID. After receiving your reference number, you have to click on the link which is mentioned in step 3. By clicking on the link, you have to provide all the basic details related to your educational qualification, university, colleges and many more which are given in the page, along with the candidate reference number, which you can see that IBM candidate reference number with only numeric character will be provided in your mail ID after you apply on the IBM official page for the Associate System Engineer. And after you mention all the details in this page, then you have to click on the submit, and then only you have successfully registered for the Associate System Engineer position. Second hiring is from Intel. So Intel is hiring for their intensive position for their technical profile, where this profile is open for Hyderabad location. So talking about who are eligible to apply for this intensive, then you should be having your bachelor's or master's degree from computer science engineering or electronics and communication engineering with the knowledge in software areas. Also you should be having relevant knowledge in computer architecture, software engineering with the hands-on experience in C or C++ programming language. Third hiring is from Harman. Harman is hiring for the iOS developer for Pune location. So talking about the requirements, then you should be having your bachelor's degree in computer science or related field with 0 to 2 years of experience in iOS app development. So you should be having your prior knowledge and experience in iOS app development and its concept. Fourth hiring and the last hiring is from AMD. AMD is hiring for the silicon design engineer for Hyderabad location. So this opportunity is for experienced candidates who are having minimum 8+ years of experience in software engineering field. So if you are having 8+ years of experience and having a good knowledge in the preferred domain and tools which are mentioned in this page, then you must apply for this job. So these were the 4 hiring. You must apply for all this hiring if you are eligible and if you fulfill the requirements, and also share with all your friends those who are in search of new off-campus job opportunities. We will meet in the next upcoming latest jobs. Till then, thank you.